The light is broken and it's not working. A new one just put in and it works. Look. Hey, this is a 2014 Toyota Highlander. One of the passenger light behind the driver's seat is broken. It's not on. See, the other's on, but this one is broken. This one needs to be replaced. And today I'm showing you how you replace it. So here's the light, okay? And there's no way around you can remove this plastic thing except right here. They point out to you. Right here, little thing. Right here. And there's only place you can pry open like that. So I saw it on YouTube. Someone used one of these screwdriver. The problem is it's metal. If you do it like this, and it's easy to break the plastic or scratches the surface of the plastic, and it will leave a mark. It's no good. So what I did is I looked up on Amazon about one of these. It came with the smallest one, tip like this, and what you do is put this here in here. So in. See that it come out like this. Don't force it. Do it the other side. See, the other side had the same. So on both sides, you had this. And same as here, the four corner has the same thing too. You go. So you just what you do is push it. It'll come out. You see this piece? See that? There's a little tab on both sides, and also the front and the back. So make sure that you be careful not to break. This is plastic. You see the crack and breaks. The whole piece, there's only one area here. You can put the tool inside and push it to get it out. This area is not dented. The only area that's dented is here. Neither is here, nor here. Okay, so just let you know. So inside here, you can zoom in. The hole here is for the regular light bulb, but because I used the extension like this, that's the extension like this for the LED. Now I got a different piece of LED light. Make sure it fit first. It's not the same as the previous one. Also come with a pigtail. Test it first before you put it in, if it works or not. So if you put it in, does not light up, means you turn the other way. Here you go. It lights up. Pretty bright. So just put it in here. Not too bright. I'm gonna turn it off first. So I'm gonna tuck this one in. So now it's time to put this in. And you see here, this here, this here, there are 4 of them right here. There are 4, the tabs. So what you do is just push it in like this. Let me push it in. And that's it. So the light's back in. Test it. Here you go. Turn it off. So this is how you replace a broken light in the rear passenger side or the driver's side. Alright, thanks for watching.